भाग बच्ची भाग, भाई आया रे भाई।
भाई आया तो क्या उखाड़ेगा?
क्या मामू शानपति निकालेला है क्या? ए छपरी तालू क्या बोल बे राघू।
Faking a rap MC, you know you ain't no G plus G's, ain't no MCs in my country. You Maro Pateli and show Dadagiri, a perfect example of a wannabe. Faking a rap MC, you know you ain't no G plus G's, ain't no MCs in my country. You Maro Pateli and show Dadagiri, a perfect example of a wannabe. You're a hustler, I'm a hustler. Everybody in the game is a motherfucker. Talking all those guns, show me one at least. Okay, so you got it, son of a police. Beat everybody wanna be G's. A real G's only he who is encountered third degree. Face them in a copy, face them with the lathi. They're the ones who only kill and they get in supari. Using keyboard to speak, that's not how G's talk. Don't run the main road, crip walk the sidewalk. Follow the bylaws and hold to stop sign. Fake in the gang sign, you reach the deadline. I'm just trying to follow hip hop with peace. You know that IEB, all begins retreat. And understand that under Arms Act, illegal possession of weapon will get you jacked. Then whether you rap or whether you act, Sanjay Dutt, self-descendant will be doing that. Craven, is there something missing in a nutsack? All you do is make diss tracks, now screw that. Who that? Rack MC, you know you ain't no G plus G's, ain't no MCs in my country. You Maro Pateli and show Dadagiri, a perfect example of a wannabe. Making a rack MC, you know you ain't no G plus G's, ain't no MCs in my country. You Maro Pateli and show Dadagiri, a perfect example of a wannabe. Don't sweat the technique, inferiority complex. Hide behind reality, your shine is Bentex. Gangster videos influence, now don't let it get to your head. Don't imitate the Wild West. Next best thing you can think is to spend 3 to 4 digits on your customized bling. Go join a rock band, cause rap ain't a thing. At least you can rock out with your G-string. Things in common, often used by international gangster rappers and Indian underworld gangsters are Big, Lil, Bada, Chota, guns, kill, Nikal, Goda. Bang bang, that's a shootout, victim of gangbang in school now. How can you proclaim something when you live in exactly the antonym? A graduate, or you may be having a decent job. You listen to mom or dad, still sad that you're finding it hard to choose the right path, whereas a gangster's job gets a man involved in killing and robbing. Life of a convict, balls don't come in the mouth cause they adopt this living. And they got cold blood and attitude to give a fuck about the world. Is beef the cause of gangster rap surge, or belief in what the idiot box media is showing us? It was purely a media gimmick that led to East and West Coast division. R.I.P. Big and Pop. Faking a rack MC, you know you ain't no G plus G's, ain't no MCs in my country. You Maro Pateli and show Dadagiri, a perfect example of a wannabe. Faking a rack MC, you know you ain't no G plus G's, ain't no MCs in my country. You Maro Pateli and show Dadagiri, a perfect example of a wannabe.
भाई एक कॉल घुमाओ ना इसकी माँ की।
One call from your contact list doesn't make you a G.
छोटा मोटा जोल तो भाई अपन ने बहुत खेला है।
Your hustle is all worthless. You know you ain't no G.
बंदूक से तो भाई अपन बचपन से खेल रहे हैं।
Use guns when young, but they would be for Holi or Diwali.
बाल मिल तो सही, तेरी शानपति निकलता हूँ पूरी।
Dogs bark, don't bite, no fights. Most of them are fake G's.
R.I.P. to my homie, he was a real G. And as far as rap goes, this is India. Rappers are not gangsters, similarly, vice versa. Mind it.